Hello, this is Little Miss Sparkle, and I'm here with my friend, Mr. Noisy. What the? Little Miss Sparkle, why am I supposed to be here? For an explosive KFC, you're like Miss Curious. What the? Are you doing explosive memes? Oh, the noise is so loud, I cannot concentrate. Okay, let's sing his theme for him. What? Are you gonna sing my theme song? Yes, that's very explosive. He's so noisy, Mr. Noisy, shouting loud and stamping round. For example, when he sneezes, you can hear in Bombay. He's so noisy, Mr. Noisy. When he's noisy, he shakes the house. And when the alarm clock wakes it, it's so loud it hurts our ears. Banging, crashing, snoring, sneezing, clumping like an elephant. Shouting, screaming, always leaving everybody trembling. Banging, crashing, snoring, sneezing, clumping like an elephant. Shouting, screaming, always leaving everybody lost for words. He's so noisy, Mr. Noisy, banging doors and stomping around. When he speaks, it sounds like thunder, leaves you shaking in your boots. He's so noisy, Mr. Noisy, scaring you when he's around. You can tell just when he's strumming by the earthquake on the ground. Banging, crashing, snoring, sneezing, clumping like an elephant, shouting, screaming, always leaving everybody. Dr. Pepper, if you're watching, seriously, I love you. I got a cat of you right. My pink, stop pinking. I'm going to massage your face out. Oh man, what kind of deeps? What is he going to explode you? Hey, I think you have the wrong transcript. Oh man, did I insert the wrong transcript? No, I didn't. You were actually supposed to explode. My face said peeking. Why are you saying cinema rolls for? You're supposed to explode. I am exploding. But what's the thing doing? Will you stop? I am meant to stop. Why are you going to explode your cake? I am exploding you. No more. I am extinct. What are you going to extinguish? I am losing you, Sparkle. She's died.